Imagine an algorithm that made $40 billion in a single week without a single human telling it what to do. That is not science fiction. That happened last month on Wall Street. Welcome to the world of AI finance in 2026, where artificial intelligence has completely taken over how money moves around the planet. Every day, trillions of dollars are traded by machines that learn, adapt, and execute faster than any human ever could. The big Wall Street banks are racing to deploy AI, hedge funds have fired entire trading desks and replaced them with neural networks, and even your personal banking app is now powered by artificial intelligence. If you think you understand how money works in the modern world, think again. Because by the end of this video, you are going to see just how deeply AI has infiltrated the global financial system. And if you want to stay ahead of these massive shifts in technology and finance, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. We publish fresh videos every single day covering the biggest AI breakthroughs you need to know about. Let us start with the biggest transformation, algorithmic trading powered by AI. Back in the 2010s, algorithmic trading was simple. Humans wrote rules, computers followed them. But in 2026, that old approach looks like a horse and buggy on a highway. Today's AI trading systems use deep reinforcement learning. They do not just follow rules, they discover strategies that no human ever thought of. These AIs analyze millions of data points simultaneously: news headlines, social media sentiment, weather patterns, shipping data from satellites, and Federal Reserve signals. They find correlations invisible to humans. For example, one hedge fund's AI discovered that avocado prices in Mexico reliably predicted certain currency movements 3 days in advance. No human would ever connect those dots, but that is the power of machine learning in finance. These AI traders operate in microseconds, executing thousands of trades per second, and they are responsible for over 70% of all stock market volume in 2026. The second shocking transformation is in fraud detection. Banks lose billions of dollars every year to fraud, stolen credit cards, identity theft, money laundering. But AI has turned the tables completely. In 2026, AI systems monitor every single transaction in real time. They build a behavioral profile for every customer and flag anything unusual within milliseconds. If your card is used in a different city while your phone location shows you are at home, the AI blocks it instantly. But here is the really impressive part: the latest AI models catch fraud before it even happens. They detect patterns of account takeover, synthetic identity creation, and money laundering ring activity that no human analyst could ever spot. JP Morgan reported that their AI fraud detection system saved them over $1.5 billion in 2025 alone. And the AI gets smarter every single day. It learns from every new fraud attempt and updates its models automatically. The days of calling your bank to dispute a charge are numbered. The AI already stopped it before you even noticed. The third area is personal finance. Robo-Advisors have been around for a while, but the 2026 versions are nothing like the simple portfolio rebalancers from a few years ago. Today's AI financial advisors are like having a personal hedge fund manager in your pocket. Apps like Wealthfront and Betterment now use generative AI to have actual conversations with you about your financial goals. They analyze your spending patterns, predict your future income, and build investment strategies customized to your exact life situation. These systems can predict when you are going to need cash, when you should increase your investments, and even when you are being charged too much for subscriptions you forgot about. But the really wild development is the rise of fully autonomous AI wealth management. New platforms let you grant an AI limited access to your bank account, and it actively trades, saves, and reinvests on your behalf. Early adopters are seeing returns that beat traditional human advisors by an average of 8% annually. That is a massive difference when compounded over years. Here is where things get really interesting: AI predicting market crashes. Remember the 2008 financial crisis? It caught everyone off guard because the models at the time could not see the systemic risk building up. Well, that is no longer the case. In 2026, every major bank and regulatory agency uses AI to model systemic financial risk. These models simulate millions of possible scenarios simultaneously: what happens if interest rates spike, if a major bank fails, if there is a geopolitical crisis, if a new pandemic emerges. They run these simulations in real time, 24/7. The AI at the Federal Reserve, developed in partnership with MIT, predicted the mini crash of March 2025 a full 3 weeks in advance. Regulators were able to take preemptive action and the crash was 70% smaller than it would have been. And here is the mind-blowing part: some of these AIs are now so complex that even their creators do not fully understand their internal reasoning. They give the right answer, but the path they take is a black box. That creates a whole new challenge. How do you regulate an intelligence you cannot fully understand? The fifth transformation is happening in cryptocurrency and decentralized finance. Crypto markets never sleep, and neither do AI trading bots. In 2026, over 90% of all crypto trading volume is driven by AI bots. These bots are incredibly sophisticated. They arbitrage across hundreds of exchanges simultaneously, provide liquidity to decentralized exchanges, and even participate in DAO governance voting. But here is the newest development: AI-managed crypto funds that let anyone invest with as little as $10. These funds use AI to dynamically allocate between Bitcoin, Ethereum, emerging altcoins, DeFi yield strategies, and stablecoin lending. One of the top AI crypto funds returned 240% in 2025, completely autonomously. The AI decided every trade, every rebalance, every exit, with zero human intervention. We are moving toward a world where money manages itself. And that is either the most exciting or the most terrifying thing happening in finance right now. Probably both. So there you have it: 5 ways AI is completely taking over the financial world in 2026. Algorithmic trading that discovers strategies humans would never find, fraud detection that stops crime before it happens, robo-advisors that beat human money managers, AI systems that predict crashes weeks in advance, and autonomous crypto funds that generate insane returns. The bottom line is simple: AI is not coming to Wall Street. It is already here. And it is already running the show. If you found this video eye-opening, hit that subscribe button right now. We make new videos every single day covering the AI breakthroughs that are reshaping our world. And leave a comment telling us, does the idea of AI managing your money excite you, or does it scare you? We read every comment. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.